Hello traders, and welcome back to another edition of Hotspots, where we discuss the hot, heavy, high-impact news events that are coming our way in the financial world very soon. We want to be aware of these so we don't get caught off guard while we are trading. Today's video is going to be discussing the dates of September 27th through the 30th. That's Wednesday through Saturday. Wednesday, there's nothing going on. Let's move into Thursday, where we'll see ourselves with news early on at 3 a.m. Eastern Time out of Europe, then again at 8:30 a.m. out of the U.S., and then at 4 p.m. again out of the U.S. It's also worth noting that on Thursday, we'll see a bank holiday begin in China. As we work our way into Friday, we'll find news again at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, this time both out of the U.S. and Canada. And then we'll have 10 a.m. high-impact news hitting us out of the U.S., and then finally 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time on the opposite end of the day, we have high-impact news coming out of China. And then finally on Saturday, the only thing worth noting is that there will be a daylight savings time shift out of Australia. Good luck, happy trading, and I'll see you all very soon.